Hello friends, welcome to Textile by Pavi. In today's topic, we are going to discuss about lexical scope. What is lexical scope basically? So lexical scope means the scope of the variable that is determined by its position in the source code, where it is written. And nested function have access to the variable that are declared in outside or out of scope. In other words, when you write a function or variable that defines what variable those function can access. How does lexical scope works? Let's see. Variable declared inside a function are only accessible inside a function. That is a function scope. For example, I created one function here. Function say hello, and I want declare one variable a equal to 10. So here, if I try to print the value outside this function, it will give me an error. A is not defined because the the scope of this function is limited to the function scope. That is function scope. Function can access the variable defined in their outer scope, including the global scope. Suppose I have one function here that is a function grid, and this grid, let's see if it is trying to access this a. I need to call this a hello function, and let's see what here I need to call grid function. Let's see what we get. So we got 10. That means whatever the function that are there in outer scope can be accessible by inner that inner function, right? I declare some variable here 8. Let a be equal to 20. Let's see if we can access this in innermost function or inner function. Yeah. So that is also fine. I can access both global scope variable as well as the functions scope variable inside a inner function. So that is what lexical scope is all about. So why this is useful? It helps in encapsulation, hiding the variable inside a function. It allows creation of closures, function that remember their lexical scope even when the executed later, and it enables a modular and predictable code. Yeah, that's all about lexical scope in JavaScript. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.